guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making cheesy dill artisan bread. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
For today's recipe, we're going to need fresh dill, salt, cheese, yeast, and water. Combine your flour, salt, and yeast and whisk until thoroughly combined. Add your dill and continue whisking. Now add your warm water and mix until you form a shaggy dough, adding your cheese halfway through. Cover and let rise for 12 to 14 hours. I let mine sit overnight on the counter. After 12 to 14 hours, stretch and fold your dough 3 to 4 times and then replace your cover. Preheat your oven and pot at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When your oven is preheated, remove the hot pot and generously flour the bottom of your pot. Carefully place your dough into the pot, cover, and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. Let your bread cool on a wire rack. I hope you enjoy!